9 signs of excessive sugar in your diet. Who doesn't love a bit of sugar? This sweet, crystalline carbohydrate seems to be present everywhere and in almost everything, but consuming it in excess can be detrimental to our health. Sugar-loaded foods are hard to avoid, and some of the biggest culprits include sodas, candies, and cereals. Now, let's explore the signs that indicate you are consuming too much sugar. Number 1. Bad attitudes. Excessive sugar intake not only affects your physical health, but also your mental health. If you consume too much sugar, you may notice, or others may notice, that you are more irritable than usual. Highs and lows in blood sugar can cause mood swings and irritability. These sharp fluctuations in blood sugar can worsen symptoms for those who have anxiety. Number 2. Constant craving for sugar. The more sugar you consume, the more you crave, making sweet treats quite addictive. Just like an addictive substance, sugar provides a brief energy boost followed by a crash, which makes the body crave more. Not only does excessive sugar intake lead to intense cravings, but it also makes your taste receptors adapt to the amount consumed, leaving you needing more just to get the same taste satisfaction. Number 3. Weight gain. Excessive sugar consumption, being devoid of proteins and fibers that provide satiety, can lead to weight gain as it doesn't curb hunger. The more sugar you consume, the more excess calories are ingested. Sugar triggers the release of insulin, a hormone associated with weight gain, which can lead to insulin resistance when the body doesn't respond properly to normal insulin levels. This resistance is not only linked to weight gain, but also to the development of diabetes. Number 4. Skin issues. Acne and rosacea can quickly appear in individuals sensitive to insulin spikes caused by high doses of sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can manifest on the face in just a few days. If your skin is constantly experiencing acne outbreaks and doesn't show improvement even after treatments, it may be necessary to review your diet. Number 5. Dental issues. Did you leave your last dentist appointment with more cavities than usual? It might be time to start reducing sugar intake. Resident bacteria in the mouth consume the sugar you intake, producing an acid that causes tooth decay. It's not the sugar itself that causes cavities, but rather the chain of events that occurs in the mouth and is triggered by sugar. Number 6. Foggy brain, especially after meals. One of the most common symptoms of high blood sugar levels is a feeling of mental confusion. Excessive sugar consumption leads to rapid rises and falls in blood sugar levels, rather than gradual variations. Improper control of blood sugar levels can increase the risk of cognitive issues and brain function impairment. Number 7. The sweet tooth is never satisfied. Excessive sugar intake raises your tolerance for sweetness, requiring more sugar to satisfy a sugary craving. The need to consume more and more sugar to please your sweet tooth is a health concern, but reducing consumption will eventually lower that tolerance, and you'll be satisfied with less sugar. Number 8. Feeling tired. If you notice that you're constantly feeling tired and lacking energy, there's a good chance it's related to your sugar intake. Energy stability is closely tied to blood sugar stability, and consuming too much sugar can send you on a blood sugar roller coaster. It's important to maintain stable blood sugar levels, as excess sugar can not only lead to weight gain, but also deplete you of your natural energy and focus. Number 9. Thirst. Pay attention if you feel thirsty minutes after drinking water or experience constant thirst throughout the day. It could be a sign that we need to replenish fluids because our cells are saturated with sugar.